Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how to overcome procrastination? The term originates from the Latin procrastinare, meaning to put off until tomorrow. It's when professional or personal tasks are delayed by substitute activities. Often, procrastination hides an issue with time management. We may take on too much in too little time, leaving us unsure where to begin, and the result is endless postponement until tasks are forgotten entirely. There's a simple trick that can help resolve this problem once and for all. In moments of laziness, ask yourself, what consequences will I face in the future if I don't act now, or at least start? This approach has proven to be very effective. For example, think about the everyday scenario of washing dishes. Let's assume there's no dishwasher in the house. After a long workday, you face the choice of washing the dishes or simply going to bed. The temptation to give in to tiredness is strong, but if we're honest, we know the dirty dishes won't magically disappear when we close our eyes. You'll still need to wash them tomorrow. It might be tempting to use new dishes each time, but eventually, this only leads to an unpleasant pile of dirty plates. This is just a small example of how this powerful trick can be used to overcome procrastination. In fact, it's applicable in all areas of life, helping not only to beat procrastination, but also to simplify and improve life overall, which can lead to a greater sense of self-worth. Always try to plan your actions reasonably, allocate your time and energy wisely, and tackle issues as they arise. Avoid postponing tasks you can complete immediately. Now, another effective method for battling laziness is inspired by Kaizen, the Japanese approach to overcoming procrastination. The Japanese word Kaizen combines two parts: kai, meaning change, and zen, meaning wisdom. The psychologist Masaaki Imai, who developed this concept, suggests devoting just 1 minute to any task you don't want to do. For example, if the task requires an hour of exercise, this might feel daunting, but dedicating just 60 seconds to squats, jumping rope, or yoga becomes manageable and even enjoyable. Known for achieving success through small steps, the Japanese believe that small actions lead to big results. At first, this might seem ineffective. We're often taught that big results require big efforts. But the Japanese challenge this belief. According to the psychologist behind this system, time-intensive laziness-fighting programs lead to burnout and even breakdowns. Short exercises, on the other hand, boost motivation. As you start with 60 seconds of an activity you'd normally avoid, you may soon want to spend 2, then 10, then 30 minutes on it. The sense of guilt and uselessness is replaced by satisfaction over small successes. Don't forget to praise yourself for every completed task. Success and happiness are achieved through a positive outlook on life and your own thoughts. Masaaki Imai strongly recommends appreciating even the smallest achievements. Feeling proud of your progress strengthens your confidence. Success is your own doing, the result of your efforts. With this awareness, laziness naturally fades away. There's also the 20-minute rule, which doesn't require setting big goals. You simply tell yourself you'll devote 20 minutes to the task, whether it's writing an article or learning new vocabulary. 20 minutes may seem like a small amount of time, and that's precisely the point. It's manageable. Often, once you start, you'll be so engaged that you won't want to stop. The main reason for laziness is often the dread of long, monotonous work. Sitting at a task for hours is tough. So try changing activities every hour. If you've been writing a report for an hour, spend the next 30 minutes doing something different, like exercising or tackling other routine tasks. By dedicating only short bursts to each task, they don't quickly become boring. Variety should be your guiding rule. Get in the habit of writing down and checking off tasks. If writing everything down seems cumbersome at first, or you simply feel too lazy, you'll soon notice the benefits. Seeing progress and knowing something is moving forward motivates you to keep going, giving you full oversight and control over your tasks. Once you've reached a set goal, reward yourself. Depending on how big or strenuous the task was, you could treat yourself to a spa afternoon, a nice bike ride, or a good movie with your partner. A supportive partner by your side, one who encourages you to grow and improve, can also be a fantastic way to fight laziness. One more tip: try to do nothing for an hour. Laziness doesn't mean doing nothing, it means doing unnecessary things like endlessly scrolling through social media. So take an hour to really do nothing. Just sit there. This will surely get boring fast, and the desire to do something productive will kick in. That's it for today. I sincerely hope these approaches prove helpful for you and enable you to accomplish a lot in life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share your methods for overcoming laziness in the comments too. It will surely be interesting for others to read what helps you beat laziness. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.